Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube upload. Today we're going to talk about, this relates to being a writer, how to make money blogging. Do you want to make money blogging? If you do, you're not alone. More and more people are finding that blogging can be a profitable business. Whether it's just earning a few extra dollars a month or making enough money to make a full-time living from blogging. There are tens of thousands of bloggers who make money by blogging. Are you ready to start blogging? If so, why not try out my free 30 days, not my free 30 day, but it's on someone else's, but it can give you an idea of what blogging is and how to start. The 30-day blogging challenge, where I give you a small task every day for a month, and by the end of the month, you would have then built a solid foundation for your blogging career. Start the challenge. Introduction. Can anyone make money blogging? No. Blogging requires some sort of creative skill. You have to be able to make content that is interesting enough for the readers to want to come back again. Same thing with your book when you're going out publishing your book. Whether that's giving fashion advice, blogging about your daily life, it's completely up to you. A blog is really about building relationships for your readers. If you aren't able to catch any readers for your blog, that means no traffic, no money to be made. But this makes sense. Now we're going to flip over, and this is a page where we're going over it. A blog is really about building a relationship with your readers. If you aren't able, which we said that, you can't draw traffic or make money. But if you can keep your visitors coming back to your blog more than once, then you got really solid starting point for monetizing your traffic. It's all about building your traffic, putting out great contents, things that's going to pop out to your readers and it's going to keep them coming back to you. Things you'll need. There are a few things you need before you start making money blogging. A blog for starters. If you want to monetize a blog, obviously you'll need a blog first of all. If you don't have one, no worries. As your first task in 30-day blog challenge, it is to create your blog and set it up the right way for long-term success. And then another thing, you're going to have time. It's going to take time to work on it and put it together. Once you set up, you'll need to take time to write the blog post. That's really your blogging expense, the time you use on your blog post. A blog post can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours to produce, depending on what you're blogging about. How does it work? When someone learns that blogging can make money, people immediately ask, how do bloggers make money blogging? Before I started, I had the same question. The answer is simple. Either bloggers build themselves a brand name or they use their blog as a property to advertise, much like a giant billboard or a regular magazine. There's 3 key points a successful blogger needs to follow. Number 1, you need to be able to create an excellent content. Once you have a blog, you must add high quality content. On a blog, this content comes in form of blog posts. Your blog post has to be excellent in order to make money. You have to have visitors, but in order to have visitors, you must have content worthwhile to visit. Key points number 2, build and promote your brand. It's this little baby right here. I'm going to make this bigger so you all can see it. You want to build and promote your brand. While you create your content, start building sincere, no strings attached relationships through social media, commenting, forums, promoting others, and then of course you like it. If no one knows you exist, it's unlikely you'll get many visitors. People won't naturally define you if you don't put yourself out there. They won't naturally find you. 3, key point, choose and implement streams of income. Developing income streams is the last key point. Many people want to focus only on this point, but without the other 3, it won't work. Trust me on this. I'm still, you all, working on different blog pages. I have many of them. Pro Blogger, my writing page of allpoetry.com with all my writings and my fans. Got a lot of followers commenting. It's great. It's free to sign up. You all to sign up on it. It's called allpoetry.com for writers. Successful bloggers are constantly exploring new ways to make money. The key to making good money as a blogger is to have multiple streams of income. Even small trickles of money coming from various places. Over time can really add up. So you want to get multiple streams of incomes to get this going. Bloggers often also use their blog